It's about 5:35, and in about 10 minutes we have to head downstairs because a couple of friends are picking us up for dinner. But I just wanted to show you the big purchase that happened on the Magnificent Mile, and it's not even a purchase for me, but every little girl's dream is to have an American Girl. And there is a Just Like You doll, not for me, but for my niece. My brother, my husband, and I went in on this little doll, a Just Like Me doll. And unfortunately, they say these dolls are for 8 year, yeah, if you're 8 years old or older. They had smaller dolls for younger girls. I was looking at buying her a matching shirt to match her Little American Girl shirt, but they only make them in 8 or 7. I think 7 was the smallest size, and it was way too big for her. So she's gonna have to wait to get a shirt just like her Little American Girl. But isn't she the most precious thing you've seen? And if you have a little girl, I don't know, this must be what little girls want, because they all were in heaven. They were all smiling, carrying around their American Girls. It was the most precious thing. So I cannot wait till her birthday in April. I hope she likes it. I think she will.